Hi everybody. So I ended up finding the Mercedes-Benz workshop manual on the internet. I ended up going through the Benz World forums, and they gave the whole entire work manual for free. I'm giving this information out because I know it's very hard and difficult for you to even work on your vehicle without knowing, like, oh, what do I need to do? For example, brake jobs. And not having the star diagnostics. So I'm going to be posting this video up as well as the site to go and get the work manuals. The work manuals has everything. It has the bulletins on, recent topics, as well as navigation, keyless entry mode, how to do things. I believe it has troubleshoot. I do not know, but it does show how to work on things. For example, let's go to not maintenance. I didn't want to go to maintenance. This is gonna pop up. Click right here. I didn't want to go to maintenance. Let me see. For an example, right, let's just do the water pump right now. So we're gonna go to engine and cooling, and from here we're gonna go to water pump. As you can see, I already started checking this website out. Let me see. Next page. It's gonna be ad heavy, very ad heavy. There you go. So it's gonna tell you the bolts and everything. The torque specs. It's really amazing. Also, if you guys are wondering, hey, how do you convert newton meters to foot pounds, just Google it. Simple as that. Also, make sure you look at the forums. When you start looking at the forums for Mercedes-Benz on W221, you're going to be able to also find out these websites that will help you a lot. I know it's very difficult for me. So like I said, hey, this information's free. It's out there. All you got to do is do some digging. Sometimes in the forums that I just showed, there'll be some people that have, the entire service, the star diagnostic thing, whatever, this printout. And hey, dude, print it out, PDF it, do whatever you got to do. But I wish everybody the best. Happy holidays. And I'll be posting up this video, including this website for the W221 service manual.